Hey, good day everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Little Fingers. I hope you're all doing well. And today I'm gonna show you the MacBook Pro I bought from eBay. I want you to know that it's my first expensive purchase I made from the website. Yep, I was skeptical at first because I don't wanna get scammed online. So I wanna make sure that what is listed in the website is the real one that I get. So it's been listed to have 1 terabyte solid state drive, 8 gig RAM, power cords, and the original box. So when I open the box, the MacBook Pro has been reset to its factory settings, which is good. I tried the functionalities, it works well. And then the listing descriptions are all true. The problem that the seller mentioned, that the MacBook Pro shuts down when it is connected to the power cord, is also true. So the next best thing that we can do right now is troubleshoot what causes the problem, so we can use the unit without problem, and after that we can upgrade the operating system from Mac OS X to OS Sierra. So bye for now, and thank you for watching.